One thing about QML that is awesome is it can animate just about anything. So we have an image in the background here, and we have a sequential animation that's running an opacity animator twice, one that makes it visible, one that makes it invisible, and it gives kind of this ghostly effect. QML is just awesome in this regard, and you can do some really, really cool things. Let's take a look at how to build this example. First things first, here's our code. I'm just going to paste in an image that I already had. And let's go in here. We want to actually add our image, so we're going to open in the editor, and I'm going to add a prefix. Let's call this /images, and let's add the file. If you did it correctly, you should see your image right there. Let's go in here, and we're just going to simply say image. Don't really need an ID, but we're going to add it anyways. Now we can right-click, copy the URL, and then paste it in there. Makes it extremely bug-proof because we have the actual path there. Let's go ahead and set the anchors. We're going to fill that parent, and we're going to say opacity, and we're going to say 1. And there is our image in all of its glory. We want to set this at 0, see what it looks like when it's invisible. And we have a white background, so we need to change the window's color here. We're going to say black, save and run, and voila, it's black. Let's go ahead and add in our animation here. And we're going to say loops. Animation infinite, running. We want this to be true because we want this to run as soon as the scene loads. And then we're going to use the opacity animator. Does exactly what it sounds like it does. We need a target, and the target is going to be the ghost. So yeah, I lied. We do actually need the ID because we're going to use it. And then we're going to say from 0 to 1. And of course we need duration. And we're going to say, a lot of folks will make a mistake of trying to set the running property. You don't need to do that because we're in a sequential animation. Sequential animation is going to determine which one of these is running. So you don't need to do that, and it actually will have no effect. And then we're going to just say from 1 to 0. Greatly simplified based off the last video. All right, let's take a look and see what this looks like here. There's our ghost. It's running a little bit fast. I might slow that down here. So like we want it to go from 0 to 1 very quickly, but then we want it to fade out very slowly. So let's change that to 5 seconds, and let's save and run. Comes in quick, fades out slow, nice and spooky. So that is the opacity animator in all of its glory, along with the sequential animation.